we're constantly faced with the challenge of going to a new note from the note that we're already on. And it really pays to know how to get to the various places that you need to get as you're playing. A lot of tools are used to do this, scales, playing a lot of music. I think that a pattern 1-3-5 in major and 1-3-5 in minor is one of the best that you can work on to develop a sense of where you're going on the instrument that's intuitive. Let me do this first in the key of A. And what is a 1-3-5? Well, it would be the first tone in the diatonic scale, and then the 3 is the third, and the 5 is the fifth. So that would in A sound like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 5. Major triad 1-3-5. What's minor? 1 flatted third 5, flatted third 1. That's minor. Major. Let's do E. One, 3, 5, 3, 1. Minor. Flat the third. 1 flatted third 5, flatted third 1. Pretty easy. Do those on all the keys. And from any given start point, you'll have a pretty good feel of where to move to get that major and minor third and where to get the fifth. It takes a while to make it intuitive, but that major and minor triad pattern, very valuable to us.